Hi everyone, I am Dr. Dinesh Kumar, Senior Assistant Professor, Department of Psychiatry, Government Tirunelveli Medical College. I am a consultant psychiatrist at Tamil Nadu Neuro and Mind Care, Tiruvannamalai. Today, on the occasion of World Suicide Prevention Day 2020, I am going to talk about the need of talking about suicide. Before talking about suicide, we need to know the magnitude of the problem so that we can understand the need to talk about it. About 8 lakh people commit suicide every year, a complete suicide every year. 79% of those suicides are all from low and middle income countries like India. In India, the rate is very high as 15 per lakh population. So, number of people who committed suicide in the year 2016 was 2 lakh 15,000, which is 3 times higher than the current amount of COVID deaths due to world's worst pandemic. With this background, let's go into the need to talk about suicide. But why don't we talk about suicide? There's a lot of stigma about it. A person with suicidal thought usually puts up a brave face. They hesitate to talk about it. They don't seek for help. They feel as though they are trapped inside a dark room. But we know the facts and figures. We don't fill the blanks. We don't talk about it because we think we may offend them unintentionally. We think we may say something wrong, but talking about suicide is usually a relief. The next thing is the person who committed suicide is usually portrayed as a selfish person or a person not seeking help, which is completely a big myth. And also, we call the suicide to be committed. A fat person or a obese person taking junk food, taking non-vegetarian every day, taking oily food every day is not called to be committing a heart attack. A person who battled cancer is not said to be committing cancer. But when a suicide happens, we use the word committed, which in itself is a stigmatizing process. In fact, till a recent Mental Health Care Act came in India, suicide was called to be a criminal offense. Thank God, right now it has been decriminalized. So, mental illness is like any other physical illness. When a cancer is battled, when a diabetic patient or hypertension patient is treated, the same way a person with suicidal thoughts can be treated. We should consider it to be a physical illness. But how does that happen? It doesn't happen without talking. When we stop talking or when we keep silence, the stigma increases. We have to talk about it. As we keep talking about it, the stigma reduces. Treat the patient with suicidal thoughts as equal or better as a person with other physical illness. I know age old stereotypes and stigma won't reduce within a day, but talking about it is a starting point. When we start talking, it becomes like other conditions, becomes less stigmatized. So let's talk. Doctors to patients, let's talk about it. Senior doctors to junior doctors, and vice versa, let's talk. Employers to their workers, let's talk. Teachers to students, let's talk. Family members to others, let's talk. Neighborhoods, let's talk. Because a few words A few steps or just a smile could shift the balance from death to life. வாங்க பேசலாம். Let's keep this trending. We will talk about it. We will reduce the stigma about it. Thank you.